If you want to protect your iPhone 17 Pro Max in style, check out this Neuron case from PEAKZOOC. It has up to 10 feet of drop protection thanks to the front and rear bezels, airbag corners, along with an MIL STD 810G rating. It has a strong magnetic hold thanks to the N52 strength magnets whenever using Magsafe Charging or using Magsafe accessories such as the PEAKZOOC power bank or their robotic arm table stand. There's metal button covers and you retain full access to the capacitive shutter button. There's precise cutouts and it's all housed in a premium looking frosted finish. So let's take a closer look at how well it performs, and a big thanks to PEAKZOOC for sending this out for review. Design-wise, the PEAKZOOC Neuron case is coming in at around 50 grams and about 1.2 millimeters thin, and that's thanks to a PC and TPU build. On the rear, we have this kind of frosted look going all the way through, so this is going to be good at resisting fingerprints. Now we have a triple lens camera cutout instead of a massive cutout for the entire camera plateau, something you may or may not like. Now if you take a look at the side here, this is raised, so we have raised camera bezels. There's also a Magsafe charging ring, and if we look on the side here, so we have a metallic button cover, a lanyard cutout here, and a touch capacitive button. The other side has the same type of metallic buttons, and it actually contrasts really well and looks, kind of sharp against the matte frosted type of material going on. The other side of the buttons have protective pads to prevent any type of scratching to your phone's frame. We have thickened airbag corners for additional protection. At the very bottom, we have cutouts for the USB Type-C port and speaker grill. And if you take a look at the side, we do have some kind of patterning going on here, right side, left side, and at the top. But if you run your fingers, it's completely smooth and flush. But those patterns do have textures on the inside of the case. I'll go ahead and install the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the PEAKZOOC Neuron case. Now notice that I do have a privacy screen protector on here, but we should have no problems just kind of popping this in from the top, going at the bottom, and just like that, we're done. So first thoughts with the case installed on, and this actually looks pretty sharp. I'm liking the amount of detail going on in the back of the case. It's not overly busy and it kind of blends in thanks to the matte or frosted type of finish. The hand feel remains very manageable on here. It's very easy for me to just kind of rotate the phone up, down, top, bottom, really no issues at all. Thanks to the matte or frosted type of finish, it makes it fairly grippy without any type of issues. I have kind of oily or smudgy fingerprints. I'm kind of running it along here and I'm not seeing much in the way of fingerprints, so this is doing a good job of resisting those. Now in terms of the camera lens cutouts, you can see everything is nicely cut out. The camera lenses are not touching in any way, so it's nicely separated. Both speaker grills and the USB Type-C port are also unobstructed. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the button tactility. So you can see volume up, volume down, no problem. And then this button I've remapped for translation, no problem there. Power button on off, again no problem as well. Even with the touch capacitive button cover, you can see it's still easy to go ahead and switch through various focal lengths, no problem, and just take a photo. In terms of fitment and the front screen protection, so if I do a side view, you can see that the case bezels actually increase slightly higher than where the screen protector ends. So if you were to place your phone, screen side down, it's not going to get scratched in any way, even if you didn't have a screen protector like I have here. But yeah, the fitment is great overall, front and back. Looking at the rear camera protection, so the raised lips or bezels extends just slightly above where the actual lens ends. So if you were to place this camera side down, it still will be protected, but it's not the thickest rear camera bezel that I've seen so far. Let's do a quick wobble test. So I'll place the camera side down, and as I tap on various parts of the screen, you could see the wobbling is very well controlled, so very minimal, almost non-existent. There's also zero issues using NFC or tap to pay. I dropped my phone from about 4 to 4.5 feet camera side and screen side down, and there was no damage. However, this is actually rated for up to 10 feet of drop protection thanks to the MIL STD 810G rating. You can use Qi wireless charging or Magsafe charging as well, and Magsafe charging has a very secure hold thanks to the N52 strength magnets. You can also use Magsafe accessories like this PEAKZOOC power bank. So this is a 5000 mAh power bank. It has this kind of armor glass on the back. I'll just snap it on here. you can see it's just automatically going to begin charging. I didn't have to press any type of buttons, and the secure hold is very strong on here. I'll leave a link to it in the video description if you want to pick it up. It pairs nicely with the Neuron case. It does have a power button here to stop charging, USB Type-C port to use it with wired charging or just to top this back up, and LED indicator lights to show the battery life. I'm going to use PEAKZOOC's robotic arm magnetic stand, so I'll just go ahead, snap this into place, and you can see I can shake this, kind of pick the phone up from the table. Really no issues at all thanks to those strong N52 strength magnets. And this is actually a very versatile and really unique stand. We have 3 adjustment points here. So one at the bottom here, another here, and then at the top where we have the magnetic ring. So once you have this set up, you can have it kind of, angled towards you. You can, swivel it so it's, kind of more upright. And of course, you can just go ahead and make this horizontal, really cool just to have this on your desk. If you have a phone that doesn't have a MagSafe ring, it actually comes with a ring in the box, so you could just add that functionality if you really want to use a stand like this. So if you want a stylish case that resists fingerprints, has a strong magnetic hold for MagSafe charging and MagSafe accessories, and offers good overall protection, the PEAKZOOC Neuron case is worth checking out. I'll leave links down below if you want to get your very own, and don't forget to check out their power bank and the robotic arm stand, which pair really well with it. I'll also leave any coupon codes if I have them on screen and down below. Check out this video next because this is one of the coolest iPhone 17 Pro Max accessories I've used to date. And while you're at it, consider checking out some of my other tech reviews outside of phone cases and accessories. I also review headphones, earbuds, mechanical keyboards, monitors, really something for everyone, and I really hope you'll join me in my next video soon.